Let me ask you something honestly. कभी ऐसा लगता है that you feel a little more conscious if you're laughing out too loud, or probably if you're jumping, you're sneezing, or maybe even working out, or during an intimate moment you feel the lack of control or maybe confidence issues because things don't feel the way they used to? If this resonates, today's video is for you. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. We often talk about skin, hair, aesthetics, all things beautiful, but pelvic health is something which is as important but is not spoken about so openly. A human body evolves as we go along. इसीलिए बोलते हैं aging is real, and we are not trying to anti-age you. Changes happen in a female's body as well as a male's body, but in a female's body, stress urinary incontinence, urinary leakage, post-pregnancy, muscle floor weakness, muscle tone को lose करना. So these are medical realities and not personal failures. हर किसी को होता है, maybe नहीं, but 1 in 3 women does suffer. आज के वीडियो में we are going to consider female pelvic floor and the issues that are experienced by women, but in our upcoming videos we'll make sure that we make a video about men going through these issues as well. So अब समझते हैं pelvic floor होता क्या है and why is it so important. Now think of 2 coconut trees and a hammock in between. Exactly like that, your pelvic floor supports your bladder, your uterus as well as your bowel. So when these muscles are strong, your bladder control is good, there is no urgency, your core feels more stable and your intimate moments also feel more controlled and passionate. Now, what makes the support system weak? Number 1 is aging. Then your pregnancy, delivery, hormonal changes, high impact workouts. Any one of these things can actually lead to weakness of your pelvic floor muscles. अब ये थी problem, तो अब solution क्या है? Solution की बात करेंगे तो there are multiple ways of treating it. We can definitely go the invasive way and then there is the non-invasive way. आज हम बात करेंगे in the most non-invasive, pain-free way without any downtime. How can we get you free from your SUI or stress urinary incontinence? On that note, let's talk about Emsella. It's a non-invasive option for SUI and your intimacy issues, and it is as pain-free as it looks. The Emsella chair, or the throne that I'm very comfortably sitting on right now, is a life-changing innovation. What it does in the most non-invasive ways gives us the power of 11,800 contractions in 30-minute cycle of just sitting on the chair with your clothes on. How cool is that? So now my support system has become better. तो क्या improve होगा? My bladder control is going to be improved. I'm not going to be rushing to a bathroom every time I go to a mall. Every time you're stuck in a traffic jam, you're not going to be looking at the nearest bathroom. You're definitely not going to feel more conscious during your intimate moments. And definitely, yes, your core is going to be stronger. You're going to be able to exercise better and definitely feel better along with. Now let's talk about something most women hesitate to talk about. That's your intimacy and confidence. Now, vaginal laxity takes away from us more than we know and more than we often express. So body is changing with menopause, it is changing around perimenopause, aging is happening, delivery changes happen, pregnancy does a lot of things to it, hormonal changes are happening, and a lot of times a female cannot even sense the male partner. So by doing about 6 sessions, your muscle tone is improved, your blood circulation is better, there is enhanced sensation. So just imagine what that can do to your relationship and mindset and confidence overall. So do not let your bladder control you. Imagine sitting on your chair and you are handling so many problems. Your urinary leakage problems, your lack of intimacy, lack of orgasm, male erectile dysfunction, female sexual dysfunction that can be handled, and pre and post pregnancy rehabilitation, all in one session of 28 minutes of just sitting on a chair. It cannot get more convenient than this. So who is it actually for? If you ask me, I'd say everyone. But specifically saying women who are suffering from urinary leakage issues, sports women, people who are into weightlifting, people who are into high athletic activities, people who experience urinary issues, incontinence issues during intercourse, people who have perimenopausal symptoms, people who are going through menopause or are menopaused, and women who've just delivered a baby, so postpartum women and after delivery where you feel that you have any form of weakness when it comes to your bladder, or if you feel that your sexual activity lacks pleasure, this is something you must consider. So this isn't just surface level tightening, it's deep muscle re-education. Now, when we speak about intimacy, let's address something most women hesitate to ask. Yes, pelvic floor strength does influence intimacy. Now, imagine your muscles are stronger. That means you have better circulation, improved tone, enhanced sensation, and hence more control. Now, having said that, many women report feeling more confident, more supported, and even more comfortable during intercourse. This is not just a functional treatment that we're talking about, it's the quality of life that we are changing with this. And at La Grace, we make sure that your experience is private, discreet, and completely personalized. You need to do about 6 to 8 sessions, once to twice in a week, depending on how severe your condition is. And if you're doing it just for rehabilitation, you can do it as often as once in a week for 6 to 10 sessions. So let me say this clearly. Urinary leakage is not a sign of weakness, and you do not have to live with it. Medicine in 2026 is evolved so much that we have a solution for this, but make sure that you seek help. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and we'll make sure that we keep coming back with healthier, happier content to make you your healthy best self.